Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to apply the decorations in the field level, and in case you missed previous discussion about how to add header and the buttons in the list view, please check, link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblands channel. Under the home screen you can see Odoo 17-18 development tutorial. Right now we are working on this playlist. If you are a beginner and want to learn from the beginning, you can visit this playlist because this is the main playlist and those are the topic wise sub playlist available. All right, let's back to our main topic, guys. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe, it will help me a lot. Plus you will get latest notification about upcoming sessions. In this discussion I'm going to show you how you can apply decorations in the field level. In our last session we already know how we can apply the decorations, right, in the row level. So you can see here these 6 rows having a different colors, different styles, right? But if you see this one, it's a normal one. Let's say if I'm going to show you one demo in the cells, right, you can see the status, it's a colorful, right? Or let's say this amount is also colorful, right, based on the condition, and you can see this is the bold color, right? How you can apply such decorations in the field level, so we will see in this discussion. All right, so for that we can go to the custom add-ons, student, views, right, and here let's say student. Now here let me first comment it out this one and let me uncomment this one. Now let's say the first decoration is the bold. Okay, so for example let's say this one, the school ID. If you want to apply the decorations, right, then you can use like decoration, then after desk and the style we have to mention equal to, in a double quote we have to provide condition like this way. Okay, here the first style is the BF. Okay, so BF means not a boyfriend, it's a bold. And here I'm not providing any condition, but by default I'm adding as a 1. So that means this school underscore ID we will have a bold styling, right? Now first thing is I have to upgrade the module. So guys, if you don't know how to configure Odoo in PyCharm, please check editor level playlist. I already explained everything. Now let's say upgrade the module and refresh the screen. Now you can see here, right, you can see this is the bold color, and now you can see this is the student profile, right? But you can see the this is the without bold style and with bold style, right? So like this way you can apply the bold style. Let's apply the italic style, right, in the roll number. So for that we have to also use the decoration, then after et as a short name we have to use, and by default we don't need to provide any condition. So if you want to apply for all the fields, right, you have to just use the 1. Let's say upgrade the module, and once I will refresh the screen, and now you can see here this 200, you can see 1, the style already changed, right, you can see. And if you compare here 3.20 and you can compare here this 200 digit, right, it's having a slightly Italian style in this field but not in this field, right? Now let's see the colors, right? So let's say decoration like this one. Let me copy this one, we have to copy here, we have to copy ID like this, right? Now the first color is here the info color, this one is the warning. Here it's muted, it's let's say primary. Here we can use let's say danger, here danger, and the last one is the let's say primary, I guess we used, yes, we used success. Okay, so success, danger, primary, muted, then after warning, and the first one is the info. So these 6 type of decorations available, right? And basically this is the bootstrap alert messages you can consider. So based on that colors, it will automatically effect here, right? So let me refresh the screen and now you can see the colors. So this two is the danger, this is the success, right? This is the muted color, sorry, this is the muted color, right? This is the warning message, this is the warning message, this is the info, right? This is the muted one, this is the, I guess, primary color, right? So like this way you can apply in a field level. Now question is, what about the conditions, right? You can see here the first thing is you can apply 2 decorations at a time. Okay, you can also apply decorations here with the multi condition. Let's say here, let's say id equal to 1, then apply warning message. If id not equal to 1, then apply danger. Okay, so let's say I'm trying to upgrade the module and refresh the screen, and now you can see, so id is 1, so condition is satisfied, so it's showing here the warning message, and rest you can see the danger message is available in a red color, right? Another thing is, maybe let's try with here in the name, let's say id in 1 2 3 comma 10. So we have to apply muted here, rest we don't need to apply the condition, right? So like this way, refresh the screen, you can see here the name 1 2, right, 4 and 10. So 4 is not available and 10 is available, so you can see the 10, 1 and 2, right? You can see the color of the name field, and rest it would be the normal one. Let's say we have to also apply another condition, or id in or not in, let's say 5 and 8. Okay, let's say, so this is the multi condition you can see here. So in id 5 and 6, id is not available, apply on that, and if the id is 5 and 8, it will remain the same, right? You can see 8, and the fifth id is not available, right? See, rest you can see like this way. So you can also apply conditions like single condition, multi conditions like this way in the decoration. So I hope you understood about this topic. If you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below and see you in our next session.